Yes No Arizona Proposition 207 was a voter initiative that appeared on the November 3, 2020 Arizona general election ballot, passing with some 60% of the vote. The proposition allowed the legalization and taxation of recreational cannabis for adult use. Along with Montana, New Jersey and South Dakota, Arizona is one of 4 states that legalized recreational marijuana via ballot measures in 2020. Proposition 207, also known as the Smart and Safe Act, legalizes the adult recreational use of marijuana, specifically by allowing adults 21 and older in Arizona to possess up to 1 ounce. It directs the State Department of Health Services to set forth rules for retail marijuana sales by June 1, 2021, allow marijuana to be subject to state and local sales taxes like other retail items, and imposes an additional 16% excise tax on marijuana products, with the revenue being split between the state government agencies responsible for activities relating to the act: highways, community college districts, police departments, and fire departments. The initiative provides that employers may still adopt drug-free workplace policies and restrict employees' and applicants' use of marijuana, and provides that the initiative does not permit marijuana use in public spaces. The initiative establishes that the possession of more than an ounce. The proposition imposes a 16% excise tax on cannabis. The first share of revenue will be used to enforce state cannabis regulations, with the remainder divided as follows: 33% for community colleges, 31.4% for police and fire departments, 25.4% for a highway fund, 10% for a justice fund, and 0.2% to the state attorney general for enforcement. The Arizona Dispensaries Association and Arizona Cannabis Chamber of Commerce began organizing in August 2019 for another ballot initiative after a failed November 2016 ballot initiative. The Arizona Dispensaries Association filed a ballot initiative application on September 26, 2019, for the Smart and Safe Act, seeking to obtain the necessary 237,645 signatures from registered Arizona voters by the July 2, 2020 deadline to get on the November 3, 2020 ballot. Arizona Legalization Initiative, sponsored by Smart and Safe Arizona, had received 150,000 signatures by January 17, 2020, out of a required 237,645 signatures. The initiative likely had exceeded the minimum 237,645 valid signatures by April to appear on the November ballot. On July 1, the sponsors announced they had submitted over 420,000 signatures to the Secretary of State. On August 10, Secretary of State Katie Hobbs announced the initiative had qualified for the 2020 ballot as Proposition 207. The Associated Press announced that the initiative had passed on Election Day, November 3, 2020. Likely voters polled in July 2020 indicated 62% support for cannabis legalization.